Welcome you all student in SKU digital classes. I am Dr. Santosh Kumar Maurya, Associate Professor, Department of Management, Sri Krishna University. Today I am going to discuss about the marketing research. This is the course content of BBA second year student. Dear student, marketing research is a very important subject in all management stream, because without marketing research we don't know about the consumers taste, preference and need, what they have to need to demand. Only the basis of marketing research the student of management stream they have got information about the marketing research and new development era. So my dear student, I am going to start the lecture of marketing research. Now first we want to discuss about the definition of marketing research. The definition says that a systematic collection, analyze and interpretation of data. Means ki a systematic, when you have to collect a data, you have to collect that data in the systematic way. Analyze, you have to feel that, analyze what the collection of data says that. Interpretation of data, interpretation of data means ki you have to collected the data and you have to formulate some conclusion, that is interpretation of data. In the marketing condition, that is the very main important definition of the marketing research, ki you have to collect the data, analyze the data and use interpretation of data with the help of statistical tools and various tools. The basic reason of carrying of this marketing research is to find out the challenges of the customers, behavior, change the element, means ki what the consumer wants. Time to time the consumer change their behavior because they have want to know, they have to want a new product, a new design, in a new price. So on the basis of this interpretation of data, you have to know about the recent or the new development products, consumer taste and preference. Now my student, I am focused on this 4P. 4P. First P is product, second P is price, third P is place and fourth P is promotion. Now I am coming from the first P, that is product. Product. Suppose that any person, any consumer has demand a smartwatch. A simple example, watch is also a product and they have to want ki that watch is also calculate that blood pressure of the person. This is new era. So on the basis of marketing research, the marketer has to know about that product, that consumer demand a new taste and preference, that is calculate the blood pressure of person. यानी कि product में कुछ आप नया क्या लेके आ रहे हैं, what you have to brings new, that is smartwatch. Price. Dear student, price is a very important factor on the basis of two terms. First is increasing in the market, that is penetration, and second is skimming in the market. Increasing in the market, जब हम entry करते हैं, when we have to enter in the market, that product price is a very low. When we have penetrate in the market, at the starting phase, all products manufacturing units has to fix their price at the average low. And the second is skimming strategy. They have to not worry about the middle level peoples. They have fixed their prices and enter in the market. Like Apple, they have don't know about the what's about person, lower person is think about their price. They have to fix their price and enter in the market. On the basis of price, the product has circulate over the area, place where you have to go for the marketing. where you have to distribute your product, this is the new era. Place is a very important factor of all production corporation, because they have to set the godowns or wholesaling stocks in the reference over all states, because the place is a very important role play. Promotion, which promotion strategy you have to follow for the awareness of all your consumer, or you have to focus their reference group, you have to focus their mainstream group, which groups has to take this smartwatch, कौन सा ग्रुप है जो ये स्मार्ट वॉच पसंद करता है, ये आइडेंटिफाई करना इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. इफ यू हैव आइडेंटिफाई मीन्स की प्रमोशन, when you have to search, when you have to research in the whole environment, in the marketing, you have to found this promotion is very important tools. You have to enhance the awareness of the product. Now I am going to discuss the next topic is what the marketer wants to know. अब बात आती है कि व्हाट्स द मार्केटर वांट्स टू नो, मार्केटर जानना क्या चाहता है. वी हैव टू डिस्कस इन द पास्ट स्लाइड, द मार्केटर वांट्स टू ओनली द नो अबाउट द चेंज इन द कंज्यूमर टेस्ट एंड प्रेफरेंस. The marketer wants to know about the change the scenario of the consumer taste and preference. What the consumer wants, what is the consumer new taste. On the basis of this taste and preference, on the new product launch in the market, this is the main base ki what the consumer wants. On the basis of their needs and demand, we have to formulate, we have to launch the new products in the market. On the basis of price, what price is the competitors products. In the past slide we have to discuss about the price. Price is a very important factor. So on the basis of price, what's your competitor has to enter in the market, you have to follow that era also. आपको देखना होगा कि कौन से कंपटीटर आपके उस रेंज के प्रोडक्ट में अपना प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कर रहे हैं. तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द another product prices, you have to follow same. The close substitute of the product. And what is the substitute of product? Substitute मतलब होता है विकल्प. विकल्प यानी कि what is the विकल्प, क्या विकल्प है substitute of your product, आपके प्रोडक्ट का क्या विकल्प है. यानी कि you have to focus on that scenario also in the marketing research. When you have to come in the marketing research means ki again want to search something. When you have to enter the market, you have to think about what is the substitute of that product. If the substitute is very impressive in the market, your maybe ki in this condition your product is going very low. Now next is marketing research process. Dear student, marketing research process is the whole scenario what you have to do, what you have to going to do in your research. Now the first step is define the problem. Suppose that you have to face the problem on the basis of product, you have to face the problem on the basis of price, you have to face on the basis of promotion, place. On this behalf, first you have to define your problem. When you have to clear कि what is the main problem of your research, that is the define the problem. आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है मीन्स कि यू हैव टू डिफाइन इट. जब जैसे ही हमको मालूम चल जाता है कि दैट इज द मेन प्रॉब्लम, हमारा प्रमोशन पे प्रॉब्लम, हमारा प्राइस से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम, हमारा टेस्ट एंड प्रेफरेंस जो मिल रहा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग वी हैव टू नॉट डिलीवर द गुड्स, वी हैव टू नॉट डिलीवर द प्रोडक्ट. यानी कि ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट यू हैव टू फेस द प्रॉब्लम. एंड द प्राइस माय डियर स्टूडेंट, ऑलवेज आई एम सेइंग कि प्राइस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर when you have to launch the new product and when you have to survive of your old product also. Now first step is define the problem. Second is develop the research plan. Research plan is a overview of whole research, means starting from your tagline, starting from your name of the research, starting from your abstract, what you have to define, then after definition, what you want to search, making of the objective, objective कैसे बनाते हैं, how to formulate the statement. Statement is also known about the objective. When you have to define your objective, means that objective is also comes in your research plan. What you want to know about, what you want to search something, क्या आप खोजने जा रहे हैं, यानी कि when you have to make your research plan, what statistical tool you have to use on the basis of interpretation that your result is come out. यानी कि research plan is a whole overview, is a whole process of the research. It means कि marketing research. The step 3, collection of information. Collection of information means when you have to focus, when you have to derive the develop of the research plan, you have to go on the collection of information. Means ki on the basis of your questionnaire, when you have to format the questionnaire, on the basis of questionnaire, you have to put up the question on the from the consumer. You have to got it some response from the customer sides. On the basis of that information, this is called collection of information. यानी कि you have got some information from the people side, from the customer side. Now the fourth step is analyze the information. Analyze the information means when you have to collect the data, you have to focus on the basis of some statistical tool, some questionnaire. On the basis of develop your questionnaire, you have to focus the use of the technical tools on interpretation. After you have to got some information, that is the relevant information of your marketing research. Means ki when you have the collect the information, student, the collection of information is costly. On analyze the information, when you have to collect data, you have to analyze something, you have to got it something, आप कुछ पाते हैं, and the next step is present the finding. What's you have to go, what's you have to find out. On the basis of collection of data, on the basis of interpretation, you have to find out something. आप कुछ पाते हैं, that is your finding. What the consumer needs, wants, on the basis of product, on the basis of price, on the basis of place, on the basis of promotion. What's the consumer wants. You have to submit that summary over your institution, over your organization, CEO, anyway. Any person, those who have responsible, you have to submit your findings. Ki we have the survey on the in the market and we have got it this findings. We have got it this finding. Make the decision. On the basis of problem, you have to formulate the problem. You have to go in the research plan, overall overview from the topic to conclusion. You have to collect the information. Dear student, I am also saying the information collection is a very important part, and this is also a costly part. Analyze the information on the basis of a statistical tool, present the finding, and last make the decision. You have to make the decision. What the decision comes out, what's the consumer need and wants, and this is the sixth step in marketing research process. Now the next slide is sampling. Basically sampling is the research approach. Research approach to decide the research has to how to design, how to plan, how to goes out to have the decide on the following basis. This is the three bases. First is sampling units. Unit means which part of you have to want the samplize. किस चीज को आप खोजना चाहते हैं, कौन सा कोर है जो आप उसको whom shall we survey, from whom shall we survey go in the marketing. Sample size, which is your sample size. Suppose that ki there are 100 units, which units you have to select in the sample. Last is the sampling procedure. How the respondent shall be chosen. Sampling in the last phase, sampling procedure basis on the respondent. Suppose that ki in the research methodology, RM says that ki 2 to 18% of the population size is the best, is the good. You have to choose overall how respondent, how many respondent you have to want the choose for the your sampling. Suppose that कि अगर एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल, अगर हमको टेस्ट करना है कि हम जो बाउल में चावल बना रहे हैं उसमें कौन सा चावल पका है कौन सा कच्चा है, ये डिसाइड नहीं करना है पूरा चावल पका है या पूरा चावल अभी कच्चा है। इसके लिए टेस्ट के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, वो केवल और केवल एक चावल निकाल के हम देखते हैं कि पूरा हमारे जो बाउल में राइस हम बना रहे हैं वो पक चुका है या नहीं। सेम उसी तरह से यू हैव टू चूज ए पार्ट, ए यूनिट of the sample size. Suppose that कि population size is 100, 100 लोग हैं and you have to choose only 10%. Only 10% means 10 peoples, and on the basis of 10 peoples you have to make the survey and you have to feedback, take their feedbacks. On the basis of their feedback you have to emphasize the overall, use the statistical tool and you got the रिजल्ट। मीन्स कि 10 लोग जो चाहते हैं, 10 लोग जो पसंद करते हैं, वो उस एरिया, उस जोन, उस सोसाइटी, उस ग्रुप में मैक्सिमम लोग वही पसंद करेंगे। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज प्रॉब्लम फॉर्मुलेशन। प्रॉब्लम फॉर्मुलेशन मीन्स यू हैव टू जस्टिफाई ए सेंटेंस। इन द पास्ट स्लाइड डियर स्टूडेंट आई एक्सप्लेन दैट statement of the problem and problem formulation is the a line. Suppose that ki whether a question make that in the question scenario, suppose that ki all higher education is going for well education. एक एग्जाम्पल आप ले लेते हैं, कोई भी क्वेश्चन एक बनाते हैं, वही हमारा फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम फॉर्मुलेशन, उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, दैट इज द कोर पार्ट ऑफ योर थीसिस। जब आप प्रॉब्लम फॉर्मुलेट कर लेते हैं, यानी कि यू हैव टू मेक देयर प्रॉब्लम कि व्हाट प्रॉब्लम वी हैव टू फेस इन द मार्केट, दैट इज द ए कन्वर्ट इन ए लाइन, दैट इज द कोर ऑफ योर टोटल रिसर्च। नाउ दिस 7 steps to formulate the research problem. First, identify the subject area, means ki first you have to identify which area you have to face problem. On the basis of area, when you have to decide it, you have to make research problem. अब क्या problem आ रही है, area has to decide which area has to come problem. Now the second step is dissection the board of the sub areas. Suppose that कि एक क्वेश्चनर फॉर्मेट किया गया, अब उसको 2 भागों में बांट दीजिए, यानी इसका डिसेक्शन करिए कि विच पार्ट सब डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स एंड 2 पार्ट्स हैव टू फॉर्मुलेट ए सेंटेंस। नेक्स्ट इज सेलेक्ट व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टेड टू यू। अब उसमें सेलेक्ट करिए कि विच वन इज द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टेड फील्ड, विच वन इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू एंड व्हाट इज योर इंटरेस्ट जोन। यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट दैट क्वेश्चन। नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज raise the research question. Research question means ki objective. You have to formulate, या you have to make the objective. Formulate objectives, access your objectives and double check. Formulate objective, access and double check. There are very basic difference between these 3. Formulate objective, when you have to think about the objective, which objective is suitable for your research, that is formulate the objective. Access your objective means ki when you have to enter that point, when you have to elaborate that objective, that is access your objective. And double check means ki again you have to go which statement you have to want to search in the market. Now the types of research. Now our next slide is type of research. First is basic research. Dear student, basic research is also known as the fundamental research and pure research. A basic research definition is that the collect data enhance the knowledge. For example, an experiment of the facts. Suppose that कि fundamental यानी कि basic research is that कि what you want to search. Simple. एक example लेके an investigation into the main elements of brand. Which brand means a term, logo, jingle, design differentiate from other product. अगर एक जिंगल, एक टर्म्स, एक लोगो डिफरेंशिएट करता है आपको एक अलग ब्रांड से। सपोज दैट कि मैं बोलूं टाइटन, ये मैं बोलूं हुंडई की 4 व्हीलर, यानी कि दैट हुंडई, दैट टाइटन इज ए नेम, इज ए टर्म, इज ए सिंबल, इज ए डिजाइन फ्रॉम डिफरेंशिएट फ्रॉम अदर प्रोडक्ट, यानी कि ये प्रोडक्ट हमको अदर प्रोडक्ट से डिफरेंशिएट करता है। जैसे मैं एप्पल बोलता हूं, आपके माइंडसेट में एक एप्पल का एक लोगो, एक फिगर आपके दिमाग में आ जाता है। आप समझ जाते हैं कि अगर वो फिगर भी रहेगा, आप नीचे एप्पल नहीं भी लिखा रहेगा, तो आप जान जाते हैं कि ये एप्पल का टैबलेट्स, एप्पल का लैपटॉप, एप्पल का फोन है। वो सेम इसी तरह से a study of the fact impacting of each stage on the product life cycle, a product life cycle starting from the introduction to the decline, when you have to search in any field, suppose that on the basis of introduction, on the basis of growth, on the basis of maturity, on the basis of decline, yani ki in any stage when we have to go on the research, that is the fundamental research or pure research is comes into the basic research. Now next is applied research. Applied research is the pure research, that is the base focus on analyzing in the real life's problem. Suppose that ki right now our whole country, our whole world is suffering from COVID-19 disease. The researchers, the doctors, the many educationists and many researcher has involved there ki how to define, how to elaborate this COVID-19 virus, कैसे हम इससे निजात पाएं। तो इस टाइप का जो रिसर्च होता है वो अप्लाइड रिसर्च में काउंट किया जाता है। जैसे कि फाइंडिंग ए स्पेसिफिक क्योर फॉर ए डिसीज, कि हाउ वी हैव टू क्योर, हाउ वी हैव टू मतलब डोमिनेट दैट वायरस, मीन्स कि व्हेन यू हैव गो फॉर द pure research, we have to research something new. Now problem oriented research, what is the problem comes in your research? This topic is only formulate that ki what's problem you have to face when you have go in the market. First thing you have to make your mind set up ki you have to face the pricing problem, you have to face the economic problem. Comes in revenue of the mobile company has decreased by 25% in the last year. Suppose that is the topic and you have to formulate the research in the problem oriented research, yani ki if any mobile company has reduced their 25% selling, means ki this poor quality of the product, ye show karta hai. नेक्स्ट शो करता है लैक ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस अवेलेबिलिटी। सपोज दैट कि यू हैव नॉट गॉट, व्हेन यू हैव टू डिमांड इन दिस टाइम, यू हैव ए फेस्टिव सीजन्स गोइंग ऑन, दशहरा, दिवाली, होली, रक्षाबंधन। एट दिस फेस्टिव सीजन most of the people has demand on the go on the purchase for new mobiles, new watches, new clothes, new dress, new shoes. On that time when the company or the organization has not delivered at that time, means ki they have faced some decreased problem, they have to face, wo decrease ho jayega, and the alternative products or the substitute products has available in the market, people have purchased that. Next, not so effective advertising. Okay, not so advertising is not highly boosted. High price, maybe their price is very high, so on the basis of high price the production, the selling of that product is goes down. Economic condition, maybe ki their region, their state has not well awareness of that product. Suppose that कि आप एक गांव में जाते हैं, वुडलैंड का शूज या रेमंड्स का शर्ट्स सेल करने जाते हैं, हो सकता है कि दे हैव नॉट इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन अलाउ फॉर द परचेजिंग ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट, ये भी हो सकता है। ऑन दिस बिहाफ द रेवेन्यू ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट हैज फॉल डाउन on the 25%, 30%, for example. Okay, next, problem solving research. My dear student, problem solving research ki when you have go for the solve any research, that is problem solving research. on the basis of survey. Suppose that Videocon washing machine has to organize a survey कि why Videocon has fall down on their sellings. They have to conduct the survey and they have got it what's the main reason, what's the main problem to have fall down. So my dear student, that is the main reason कि why the organization, your company has to want to solve their problem in the research. Means कि when they have not got the selling boost up their selling, they have to survey it, they have to go for the research and find out कि what is the main reason, what is the main problem, why they have not growth. That's on this base we have to go the problem solving research. Means कि आपको problem को solve करना है, why कैसे होगा, on the basis of marketing research. Thank you more. I am Dr. Santosh Kumar Maurya. Welcome for all students for this dynamic lecture, and the next part of this lecture we have to goes on the next video clip. Okay, thank you so much.